What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It has been a minute since I've recorded. I'm not gonna lie, it really has been. Um, Currently the account stands on 1,200. We'll go back to that. I'll go for buys when price comes back into this and respects it. Well, I think we are gonna buy, so I think I'm gonna go long here when price comes back into this. I'm gonna buy. But let me just check which one is the first fair value gap though before I start speaking. Actually, it's this one, but it's actually this one. So this is our first fair value gap of the day. And seeing how bullish we are already in the morning, I'll understand if it doesn't come back to retrace into this portion of things. I'll understand. But let's just give it some time to come back down. And then we can see if we can't use that for buys. Let's see the overall target here. Why haven't we been checking the SPA? With all this liquidity all the way up there. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for price to come back in. Yeah. As I was saying, the count stands on that. I haven't been on my laptop when I've when I've been taking these trades. I've just been doing it manually on my phone. So yeah, and they've been losses. So I traded yesterday. I'll show you guys the execution. Yesterday I got, the day before that, I think it was Tuesday, I got like wicked out, bro. I got slimed. So because of the my broker, let me just show you guys the trade idea. Oh no, that's not good. Might go without us, chat. Let's wait for the macro where we get a continuation. Or wait for price to come back into this. Let me just let me just get this ready because we're already pushing up. Yo, this is moving, bruh. I do not think. Oh my days. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the macro to see if we can get another opportunity there during the macro. If not, it just left without us. Damn it. And when I saw it coming into this, I genuinely wanted. I thought it's like, oh, let me just let it come all the way down here because I know the retracements be crazy sometimes. But today's just not one of those days. It's rushing up, and I'm looking at where are those highs? These. And these, you see those relative equal highs over there. The relative equal highs, I think it might just take them out tomorrow. Friday, the last day, we have news with these relative equal highs. So I'll sweep one of them. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Let's see if we do get a chance during the macro, we get a retracement. But yeah, guys, that's what happened. I got wigged out. I think I could, you know what, wait for the macro. We have 3 minutes. We'll look for a chance during the macro. Let's just go to that trade real quick. Let me show you guys. Okay, yeah, this is your one of, was it here? No, it's not there. Oh my days, this actually worse than I thought. This is the buy I tried to take. Was it short? No, it was a buy. It was a buy. Or was it? No, it was a sell. I tried to take a short. I tried to short this, and I got wicked out. As you guys can see, that my stop loss was right below that. That was the 7th. Oh, that's the 7th of August. Where's the? Listen, I can't see what's going on MetaTrader right now. Yo, it's gone, bro. Okay, I can't find it. I can't find it. I can't find it. I can't find it. I'll look for it properly. Let's just wait for the macro see we get a retracement and then we'll use that to buy. But it's gone though. Damn. But yeah, that's what happened. So let's see, can we recover, bro? We're always in this recovery phase, bro. But yeah, let's just see if we can do the most out of this account. I'm just gonna wait for a retracement. Then we use that. Still left that London low right there. A minute until the macro. We're gonna have to give it a little bit more time. Whoa. Okay, we're in the macro right now. We already the macro started, but we came into this fair value gap and price respected that. It's so far extended, bro. We moved 100 pips already. Which portion is this? So like here. So probably what, this one. Worst case, this one. I'm trying to measure with the 5 minute this fair value gap. If price does close, how far would it want to come? Which is this midpoint right here. And that's on about this fair value gap. So we could potentially use this one to enter. And Seems solid. Worst case, this one. So let's just see, do we get a proper clean retracement during the macro, and then we'll use that. And today's my birthday, bro. So hopefully we get a W, or we lock in a W. Hold on, I need to do something. Okay, back. Mm, okay, looks like this guy over here doesn't wants to go higher, gang. I'm gonna wait for it to go for a deeper retracement, and then we in. If not, it's gonna go without us, boys. Let me see how far. 175. Put my phone back in the charger. Oh. Mm, 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 mm. Womp, 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 womp. Ah, bum, 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 bum. Oh, it's like saying go higher, bro. Bam, 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 bam. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, we still pushing. Mm, no prices are stuck on it, bro. I think we're just going higher. Look at that. We just keep going higher, higher, higher. I guess we'll just use this for value at the big edge here. Let's go. It's 4 o'clock. Oh wait, let me try to do it on my funded as well. I almost did not place a trade on my funded. I'm gonna go for two buys on the funded. I don't know if it was a two. Okay, I went for buys as well on the funded. Ugh, that's what we get. Problem is, I can't see TP wise. Oh, so if you guys want to see, that's where I basically entered, and that's my stop right over there. Nothing crazy, just $20. And we see, do we get a push to the upside or continuation? So I want to see price respect this fair value gap. The reason I put it down here because of the small fair value gap over there. So I'm just leaving that room for error. So I haven't put TPs yet. I'm gonna do that now on my phone. I just need to look at it. So that's the trade. Let's see what happens. Um, let's just use a higher time frame target. Let's see where it's most likely to push. We do have this high over here on the 1 hour. This one here has a London high right over here. And we have this opening range gap as well. So on our 1 hour, I'm gonna look at it on MetaTrader. Let's see. Let's say 1 hour. And we look all the way back up here, and I think I found it. Wait, let me see. Okay, that's $30 right there. And the other one is there's a fair value gap there as well. So I'm just gonna put it a little bit, just maybe that high. Let's see. Let me draw down right now. Okay, let's let it play out. Let's see what happens. I set the TPs. I'm okay with the stop loss. If I get, I mean, if it goes anywhere there, shows that it's gonna have to go without me. So yeah, let's see what happens. The macro is gonna be done in 6 minutes. So here's the trade. You guys can see there. So we're looking at this for value gap. Looking at this one. Okay. And also the thing is, I can't go far enough properly, man, to just get something closer. This is for me. This is too far extended, man. It just feels like that because we've been having such an up day, you know. That these ones here, these are sort of that's this opening range gap midpoint. Let me see that. Um. Okay, yeah, that's more. This is more realistic. I like this. Okay, let me just fix that. And then after the macro, I'm gonna hop off, and whatever happens, happens. Oh my god, bro, come on. Cut me some slack. Oh, it's just above the wick. Bum, ba, bum, 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 ba, bum, bum. We're just lingering around that. So after the macro, you want to see price pick up after this. So it's spending too much time now. Mm. Oof. Show you this. So what's going on right now? But it's been respecting the midpoint of the value gap, which is good. Okay, we have a minute. We have a minute left, and I'm gonna be gone. I don't know if I'm gonna upload the video now or if I should upload it once the trade has played off with the screenshot. Well, I'm gonna see you guys. It looks good so far. Bum 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 bum. Okay, we're almost hopping off. But I'll just prepare the video and then I'll just upload it later with the screenshot of this playing out. Well, there goes the macro time. It's done. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Take care. Um, too many more years of doing this. You know, I love it as a passion. Obviously, I'm not the best right now, but I will be the best soon. So I'm gonna check you guys another trade one. I will be back with the consistent videos when I'm back at school. Cause right now I'm at home, there's just always something happening, you know, and I'm not always on the charts like that. Well, yeah, guys. I'm not always on the charts like that. So, and there's no excuse. But yeah, man, we're just sorting out things. You know, we're just dealing with stuff. You know, it's just life. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys. Too many more years, man. Too many more years. Happy birthday to me. 23 years old. Getting old, man. I'll be pushing damn near 30 soon. You know. So yeah, I think we can still reach the goal though. We can do it. Take care. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.